Jessica, do it. Do it. One more time, please.
Why?
Because I want to see it again. Please
No,
do
I
it.
look ridiculous. You're not taking a video.
Do it. Please.
Which part?
Just do it. Just do the baby daddy thing, what you're doing.
With the whole spiel? Why?
Because it's funny. Do
What are you
it.
gonna do with it?
Please, nothing. Just
Don't
for,
lie.
it's just for other, like, you know, just to watch it later.
What are you gonna do? Tell me. What
Nothing.
you
Seriously. I'm not going to do anything with it. I just want to have it. Just watch it. Maybe. Well, I wasn't even thinking about that, but thank you. Come on, do it.
I don't even remember what I said.
Just do it.
I don't know if I can under pressure. Are you recording me right now?
Yeah.
I don't know if I can. I don't remember what I said.
Just go with it, man. Just go with the feeling, naturally.
What do you want me to say, though? When a woman's flipping out?
Yeah. Now, when she finds out that that's not her baby's daddy, what's she gonna do?
I don't know. She gonna flip out.
Do the flip out part.
I don't know what to say with the flip out part. I haven't rehearsed that.
Jessica.
What?
Jessica.
What?
You look really red on this video. Yeah. That's weird.